In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Acid Lab here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to get the Acid Lab, the first thing that you're going to need to do is complete the first dose missions. You can do this by heading to Sandy Shores, where you'll actually go ahead and see an R icon actually on the map. So if you open up the map and go over to Sandy Shores, you will see that R icon on there. So just keep that in mind. After you go ahead and do that, you will need to complete the first 6 first dose missions. This is required before you can actually unlock that Acid Lab. But once you have completed all 6 missions, you'll have the ability to purchase the Brickade 6x6 from Warstock Cash and Carry. So go ahead and open up your phone, go to the internet, and then go to travel and transport. Scroll down, and what you're going to want to do is go into this Warstock Cash and Carry section, and in this section you can go ahead and scroll down until you do see the option to get the Brickade 6x6. Once you purchase that, the vehicle will become the base for your Acid Lab. Call it in, take it to the freak shop, and from here you can upgrade it into the Acid Lab. It's going to cost about $750K. But that is it. That is how you can actually go ahead and get the Acid Lab here in GTA 5 Online. If this guide does help you out, obviously make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.